Good morning, back again, new video. Today we did some plastering and I'm gonna try out a new trowel that I bought. I'll show you that in a minute. I'm gonna give you a little review. Give you a little review of the trowel and let you know how good it is, how bad it is. I'll show you what we're gonna do today. So this is the room that we're gonna be doing. We're just prepping the floor, covering all the floors, carpet. There's a boiler in here, cabinet. So customers said, don't worry about doing the back here, obviously, because they're gonna get a new cupboard built here around that. It's gonna box that in. So what we're gonna do, all wallpapers have been taken off. So we'll PVA all the walls, we're gonna skim all the walls in here. And we're also doing the ceiling. So the ceiling's got a lot of cracks. There's a loft now up there. And what they've been asked to do is just reboard over the ceiling with new plasterboard. So we're gonna fix new plasterboard on top of this, and then we're gonna skim the ceiling as well. So hopefully today we can get the ceiling up, skim the ceiling and maybe one wall, and then tomorrow we'll do the other 3 walls and finish. So this is the Ultraflex, just show you close up. Stainless steel. Excellent trowel. It's not cheap. I will put a link to in the description box below for details of the trowel and where you can get them from as well. Our ceiling is up. We're just gonna go in and go around and fill it up with loads of screws, but otherwise it's up. So it's ready to skim. So I'm trying out the, you can read it upside down. So I'm trying out the Ox Ultraflex. First time I'm using it. I heard it's a great trowel, and yeah, I've started using it. It's excellent. Just show you a little close up of me using it to flatten it. It's really, really flexible. All right, just show you. So I'll show you a close up of putting this first coat on. And I'll show you. And it's quite effortless, which is great, especially when you're doing ceilings. You haven't got to do your shoulders in and your back. So yeah, 10 out of 10 for this one. Done. See if you can see up close up. Perfect. So 2 coats. It's hard to see on the video how smooth it is. See if I can show you a close up. So guys, that is it for today. Hope you like this video. If you do, give it a like please, and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Tomorrow we'll be back and we'll be doing the walls. So we got this wall to do, around here the chimney, around the window, and this wall here the door. So we should get that done tomorrow. So we'll see you tomorrow. See you then.